Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WTRH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level retains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be made, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right there at 62 cents was the level that you would want to see act as support. And right here, I mean, just an absolutely beautiful example of this. To think about that, this big pullback where it went down and down and down and down, all of a sudden, what a quote-unquote random spot for it to all of a sudden level out and then start to work back upwards. So like I said, classic example there of how resistance turns into support. So 62 cents, a very important level going forward. And then as I talked about in yesterday's video, that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, that still is more so the overarching level, that being the 50-period moving average. So as the week continues to play out, that line will move itself higher and higher. So as long as the price is up above that purple line, as you know, the line itself moves higher and higher, then big picture-wise, the bulls still fully own the chart. As far as some of the newest areas of resistance and where they're located at, so let me get this changed here to red for resistance. But first key level of resistance to watch, going to be right here at the 85-cent mark. If 85 cents can be broken, then at that point, it makes more sense to start to focus on these levels up here around the dollar mark. But no point in talking about a dollar or anything above until the price can first get up above, like I said, that 85-cent mark. So all in all, a very wild ride. But from the big picture of things, the price still chipped away and built that higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over extended periods of time, that's what it's all about. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.